Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making Egusi Ijebu. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have palm oil, already cooked assorted meat, pomo, shaki and beef, water, beef stock, 1 Maggi cube, tomato sauce, melon seed which is also known as egusi seed, 1 onion, iru which is also known as locust beans, grounded crayfish, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper and salt. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. My pot is on a medium heat. Once the pot is hot, I will add the egusi seeds. Then stir it round. I will keep stirring it round until they start to pop and expand, just like this. Once the egusi is well toasted and browned, remove it from it and allow it to cool down. The egusi is now cooled down. Now I'm going to add it into my blender, then add onion. Now we pour water inside. It is important to add enough water while blending. This will reduce the chances of the egusi clumping up when you are cooking it. So now I'm going to be blending it until it's very smooth. After blending it, this is how it looks. Now we add my palm oil into the pot. When the oil is hot, I will add the tomato sauce. Then add my locust beans, which is iru. Then stir it round. I will cover with lid and leave it to cook for 10 minutes on a medium heat. It's up to 10 minutes now. I will stir it round. Now we add the beef stock, 2 tablespoons of grounded crayfish, half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 1 Maggi cube. Then stir it round. Now we add the egusi. I will reduce the heat to low so that the egusi will not become lumpy. I will stir it thoroughly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This will prevent lumps from forming in the soup. When you get a very smooth consistency with no lumps, you can now increase the heat back to medium. I will cover with lid and leave it to cook for 12 minutes. I will be coming to stir it round every 4 minutes. It's up to 12 minutes now. I will add half tablespoon of salt, then stir it round. Then add my assorted meat. Then stir it round. I will cover with lid and leave it to cook for 8 minutes. It's up to 8 minutes now. I will stir it round for the last time. Egusi Ijebu is usually made with no spinach, ugu or any other leaf. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my Egusi Ijebu. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.